Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can pan across a document in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, open up the Bluebeam Revu PDF reader and navigate to your document. Let me just go with that document because it features some text to show you how to pan. So one option is of course to scroll up and down, but you can also use the pen tool here at the bottom by clicking into it. And then the cursor will change its appearance. So you can left click into your document, hold your left mouse, and then move your mouse up and down. Now, as you can see, that's only the vertical pan, but you can also pan horizontally. But to do that, guys, you will need to change the page view from the scrolling pages view to the one full page view like this. And now you can do the same, left click into your document, hold your left mouse, and with the pen tool, pan across your document, zoom in and zoom out. And there's also the option, guys, if you don't like clicking into that pen tool, you can also stick to the select tool and instead use the shortcut space on your keyboard, hold it on your keyboard, and then what you want to do is again left click and then pan across your document. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.